friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product review. And the product that we are going to review today is a cricket bat. So here I have the decent cricket bat right here, which I purchased for our society, and today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with the review. So guys, this is a cricket bat. This is a tennis cricket bat to play box cricket within premises, and it is made of Kashmir willow right here. This whole bat is made of Kashmir willow, and it has a wonderful stroke. If you can look at the stroke of the bat, it has a wonderful stroke to it, and wonderful wood quality, I would say, not a hollow wood. So a very well pressed wood here of the bat. And then to make the bat lighter, as you can see, there are carvings on the bat which aren't very huge carvings, so which makes sure that the bat is durable at the same time lighter to play with. And moving up ahead, we can see that it has a wonderful rubber grip on the handle, which is quite good, and it has a wonderful handle. Also isn't very long. It has a decent height of a handle to the bat, and this bat has a good face of the bat. Also is quite good. It's not like very big or not very small. A perfect face of the bat. And here you can see the stroke of the bat. The width is also quite good of the bat. The depth is quite good. Now talking about the wood quality is very good quality, pressed very well together, and which actually determines the quality of the bat. So yeah, overall I really like this bat, decent. And so coming to the price of this bat was purchased for 1250 INR, and it's available, like you can buy it in your local stores if it's available. It's a perfect bat that you all can play box cricket with. So guys, if you all like this product, do hit a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing product reviews.